Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll share with you my current bad event from my experience with the drone. I bought my djimini 4 Pro drone last year in October 2023, and since then I have used it a lot with each occasion that I found relevant for my videos. Last week, together with my friends, we went for a ride on our motorcycles, because the weather was great at that moment and the sun was up, the temperature was higher, and it was already spring in our country. Now you can see what I successfully captured before my accident with the drone, and I'll let you see it. In these frames, you can see my attempt to avoid the cable. This is just to show you in what object my drone was hit and stopped working. As you can see, the first attempt to avoid the cable was a success. The second attempt was also a success. The third one with success avoid the cable. The fourth one with success avoid the cable. The fifth one, which is also the last one, hit my drone in that cable, and since then the drone went down and crashed. Let me show you how is my drone looking right now, because it was in sports mode, and in sports mode you need to be sure that you can control your drone. It has speed, high speed, and you need to be sure that you can stop it. You can stop it in time, because in my case I also tried to stop it, but it went into that cable. So let me show you. As you can see here, the gimbal was hit and have little scratches on it. I hope it is not fatal for it, because it might be expensive. The propellers are finished as well. The front left arm is broken. It might go into pieces. And plus some minor scratches on the arms, for which I hope it's not fatal for the motors. All the propellers were broken. And now let's assemble it in order to send it to a service to repair it, because we need it in our life. So this is what is happening when you are not 100% sure on your moves with the drone and do not think in advance on what could happen. In my case, the mistake was that I didn't think about the speed of my drone and that I cannot slow down enough in order to go under the cable and not directly into it. Stay safe everybody and fly carefully. Thanks for watching, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.